starting, and this time it's up to 70% off. We had to cover this, and I picked some of the most vibrant and fun stuff that I could find this time. Now I am so freaking confused, like मैं क्या रखूँ? तो you will have to help me out in the comment section क्योंकि मैंने ज़रूरत से बहुत ज़्यादा ले लिया to show you कि what all options you have. Grand Lingerie Festival starts on 10th March 8 PM. Make sure you downloaded the app because along with the smooth interface, there's cash on delivery, free shipping up to 70% off the hay, and there's 15 days easy return and exchange, which is why like I'm still confused कि मैं कौन से वाले रखूँ. Also there's our exclusive coupon code Hailey Zivame which will give you more discount above the 70% off. So let me start with showing you every single thing. अब मेरा ना फिटनेस वाला सीन स्टार्ट हो गया है, तो I wanted to motivate myself with fun activewear, and the first set I made was a pastel workout set. उसमें there are these lavender colored pants. I bought सीधा size XL because I have gained a lot of weight, but they're so easy to move in and बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. And to pair with this, we have this baby pink sports bra. Together, they're like an aesthetic dream. However, I've been wearing it only at home क्योंकि मैं अभी नए जिम जाती हूँ, थोड़ा मुझे शर्म आता है, तो घर पे योगा के टाइम पे wear it. Now I'm all about comfort when it comes to wearing lingerie. So there's this range called Wonder Range, and उसमें I picked this hot pink color this time. It's not super hot, and usually these kind of bras are very expensive elsewhere, but in sale you can get this for a steal deal. इसमें main advantage क्या है ना कि इसमें बिल्कुल lines नहीं दिखते. Like even when you see this bra from the front, you cannot see where it's starting and where it's ending. It's just seamless, and that's why in bodycon tops या ऐसे कोई tight fitted tops में it's a great pick. Next I want to make a set. This is from the Dollhouse collection. ये टाइम बहुत सारे अलग-अलग collections थे, so I tried to pick at least one from each collection to show you what they look like. इसमें ना छोटे-छोटे ऐसे graffiti या pop out like call out graphics है, and this is what the bra looks like, and it's the exact matching underwear also makes it like a complete set. This you can wear as a bikini as well at the beach, but if you just want to layer it under your normal clothes, it's very comfortable. Now fourth thing is an ode to our quarantine and lockdowns because ये है एक pair of loungewear pants जो नीचे से completely straight fit है. It's a very fashion forward item. मैंने बहुत लोगों को Instagram पे पहनते हुए देखा है with just gungee. I will also try to post a picture like that, but primary reason था just to be comfortable. बहुत ज़्यादा खुला लगता है इसको पहन के. One of my favorite collections that I could find was the Tree of Life collection क्योंकि इसकी prints बहुत ज़्यादा funky और बहुत fun है. This one is a bralette, and I love bralettes because they're very comfortable to wear. ये pink वाले color combo में है. The second one is in the blue color combo, but this is not a bralette. This is a t-shirt bra without padding. These are many padded ones. I want to try a non-padded one जो easily dark color t-shirts या printed t-shirts में अच्छा लगेगा. And इसका material is very soft. It has 3 clasps at the back, and the bottom has like a contrast piping with 4 colors. Personally, this is one of my favorite collections that Zivame has ever launched. I also explored in some of the more adventurous sections. One of those was this black color one. I was expecting कि ये शायद transparent होगा, but no, it has like a very good nude padding inside. Maybe because it's the wedding season, so they have really stocked up on those wedding type bras, but you don't have to be married to compulsorily wear these. You can just wear them if you feel like it. A rose shaped embroidery on a black bra. And the second one is this one. Again, it's a very good number क्योंकि इसका padding is only till here. The triangle here is a net, and the back is also a complete net. So if you like these kind of peekaboos, just these little plays around your lingerie, so you will really like these kind of styles. Coming to racer bag bra, क्योंकि अभी गर्मी आ रही है तो गंजीज तो वापस शुरू होने ही वाला है. So I wanted to buy one bra जो specifically इसके लिए use हो because every time to convert it मुझे थोड़ा कंटाला आता है, and that's why I chose this bright red color. And इसके पीछे ना there's a हल्का embroidery of 2 cute little flowers. This will be very easy to wear under your tea bag from the behind, and इसका closure is from the front, so you just have to push the clip and slide it. This is also good to wear under blouses. Your blouse closes from the front. Coming to night suits, the first one I picked is this green color का full sleeve, but in a very large size because sometimes I just feel like wearing full sleeves even if it's hot. तो ये वाला पतलू material है, and इसके bottoms पे ना छोटू pigs है. So this is what the PJ looks like. Next one is I think from the Rhapsody collection. So this is the one from it. It's a blue floral one, regular t-shirt bra, but it has the triangle over here in case you were wearing something deep neck and you don't really want it to be that deep. इसके clasps yellow है और पीछे there's again a 3 hook closure with a netted back. And another one from the Rhapsody of Blue range, very similar thing that but in yellow, and ये वाला non-padded है because non-padded bras are very comfortable to wear at night or wear at home. इसके पीछे भी again 3 hooks वाला closure and netted fabric है, but इसके hooks are red in color and this one comes with an inbuilt converter. If you just put this clasp in this one, it automatically becomes a tea bag. A very happening gym set is this one क्योंकि ये totally matching है. Sort of like mauvey pastel भी बोल सकते हैं इसको. This is what the pant looks like. I think pastel plum color बोल सकते हैं. Which has a side line of a darker shade of the same color. And I found the exact matching sports bra for this. आगे से it has a color blocking and पीछे से it has a cutout. So if you feel comfortable wearing sports bras and leggings to when you work out, you will enjoy a lot wearing these kind of clothes. Coming to wedding season, घर में तो शादी है ही. For that I want to try this blouse bra because I think I've only experimented with more versatile blouse bras. I want to go with an out there color. It'll be a good addition and this is the one I found. It's a hot pink color. इसके साथ ना I can easily wear my ये जान या दीवानी का कॉपी वाला लहंगा and कोई साड़ी भी इसके साथ बहुत अच्छी लगेगी, which is a bright color, और even a black saree would look good. Yeah, but coming to this, very comfortable, very easy to wear, which just comes very handy. Then sticking to basics, we have a black bra with glitter straps because glitter straps whenever they show, I feel like a diva. So I have two, one in maroon, one in blue, black ही बाकी था, so we've completed वो कसर also. Now from the Bohemian collection, we have this orange number. So I think specifically deep necks के लिए बना है if you are comfortable wearing them. And इसका cut is wide deep, so it won't show up even if you're wearing super deep stuff. And it has a lacy feature to it, and पीछे से it has a two hook closure again for deep back, and the clasps are of the same color as the bra. Then I have this mint blue bra because I wanted to try like a super big size. I'm a little confused about my size, so मैंने वो fit coat तो use किया, but I just thought कि एक extra बड़ा size भी लेके देख लेती हूँ, I feel comfortable. It's a regular t-shirt bra, but पीछे से इसके lace है. If I get the option, I'll always go for something जिसमें ऐसा कुछ fun stuff हो. So night suit, I also bought a gown. Whenever I'm going from एक घर से दूसरे घर just for छोटू काम, I feel very lazy to like change in case I'm in very झल्ला कपड़ा. So I thought कि let me just buy a gown. This is the gown I picked. It's sleeveless. It has pockets. Pockets are the biggest blessing, and it has little cows. It's very cute. Length is great. Probably could have worn a small also. So I think I might get an exchange. Then from the Moroccan lace collection, we have this one, which I think is one of the hottest bras from this particular video. बहुत सारे अलग-अलग features है. So even from the back, it's net, but it has a lace at the bottom. From the front, it is completely laced up. It's a 3-hook closure to make sure everything is like completely secure. I love this. Also, even if friends are getting married or someone you're looking for like bridal lingerie, you can make them check Zivame out in case your local store doesn't have such fun stuff. We are definitely considering that for our Ghanta wedding. In the regular bra, I think this is the only one I bought, and also because it was yellow. This is the one I picked जिसमें कोई lace नहीं है, कोई net नहीं है, एकदम simple है. But इसका color is what made me attract to it. इसका bag काफी low है. This can help in wearing like deep bag tops. It's a regular t-shirt bra, which is super comfortable. And the last night suit is this one, which is a half sleeve V-neck t-shirt, perfect for summers. It comes with this pair of shorts. Super adorable. This is an it summer night suit. This I'm going to start wearing from today only. Waiting to show it to you before I can start using it. The last piece of lingerie is this one because this one एक छोटू cutout था आगे. I haven't tried before. That was my theory behind getting this. It's a similar one from other lace bras like net है पीछे, एक fun सा lace ऊपर है, this is from satin finish. Then we have cute little underwear sets. This particular range ना इसको क्या बोलते हैं, bikini but full coverage वाली. They're very comfortable to wear throughout the day. This time there's a pig one, then there's a rabbit one, sheep one, and then there's a plain one. Really like it. They've stepped up their range. And the other set has the same like rabbit one, but has a black and white striped one. That one particular one was the reason I got the whole set. But I can like share these two with mom and I can keep this one. Also forgot there's one more set of lingerie, but this is like a very easy peasy one to wear at home. I think this is from the teen range. You know, yeah, so if you're just starting to wear bras and if you don't want to go directly for like a t-shirt bra, you can try these. कि मेरे school time में मैंने ऐसे try किए थे. This is what they look like. So they don't have any padding, no wiring, no particular structure to it, but they give support to you. मैं तो अभी भी पहनती हूँ because they're comfortable. I also bought this travel bag. Now traveling, we started थोड़ा. So this travel bag was very functional. Compartments on the top. Not only lingerie, but we can use this for so many different things. Definitely a great add-on to lingerie in case you're very possessive about your bras and you want to keep them protected. Title of the video, starting at rupees 149, not a clickbait. These straps I found and I fell in love. What these straps are, you can change your regular bra straps and switch them out with these, and normally I find them to be better. My shoulders don't get indented. The weight gets divided between multiple straps and they look so good. I don't mind when these kind of straps show. So I bought the black and the white both. Clasp पे छोटू छोटू hearts wear. You should definitely try them. There's also these diamond wale straps. They always get sold out super fast, so I missed them out this time also. During wedding season, if you don't want to skip wearing a bra, that looks good. This was our huge haul. One of my favorite Zivame hauls we've ever done because I think इसमें सारा का सारा stuff मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है to the point where I don't know what I should keep. Don't forget that there is a huge sale, the Grand Lingerie Festival, where you get up to 70% off, free shipping, 15-day easy return and exchange, and cash on delivery as well. We also have the coupon code Hailey Zivame for extra discount, which is valid for everybody. Do remember to download the app for like a very easy experience. It also has some exclusive offers sometimes. This was our haul. So if you enjoyed watching it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you did not enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.